What's up, blockheads, and welcome to the Grom Day 6.0 video. If you guys enjoy motorcycle content, hell, Grom content, all sorts of motorcycles, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys want a chance to win some cool stuff like GoPros and helmets and all that good stuff, be sure to check out the block box on Patreon, patreon.com/Blockhead Moto. Basically try to give away one solid item per month on the channel. So be sure to go check that. Prepare yourself for tons of wheelies. Oh man, this was a ton of fun. I just got up here to Jacksonville, and Eric, Photogromer, texted me, said they were up here at the Autobahn Speedway or whatever. So, just unloaded the Grom from the truck. And there's a couple guys over here. Really funny. These dudes that got out of the truck, one of them's wearing a Harley Davidson shirt. I asked him if he rides a Harley. He said, yep. Started talking about Harleys immediately at a Grom get-together. Oh, no way. Yeah, I ain't doing none of that. I don't know how to do none of that. What's up, dude? How you doing, man? Oh. Yeah. Still clean. Hasn't been down yet. I'm looking at the floors in there, man. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bust ass for show.
Hello. Intercom pairing.
Saw, dude.
Hello.
I was like around the front, texted you. I was like, yo, I'm here. And then I round the back and I'm like, holy shit.
Where'd you park? In the right over here?
No, there's there's a couple of guys that parked in the lot over there.
Nice. All right, put your visor down. No face reveals. All right, guys, we got Mr. Blockhead here. Say hello. He's on Cena. You guys could tell. So brand new 20-something Grom, some knobbies.
2018, yeah, some knobbies, some Maxxis, knobbers. How fast? Dude, actually putting the knobbies on there increased my top speed. No joke.
Probably because you got pressure in them.
Yeah, maybe. My buddy said it's because they're 2-ply instead of like the stock ones are like 4-ply, so they're heavier. But dude, it gave me like 5 miles an hour more. Serious, crazy.
You probably just took a big shit before it.
Yeah, right.
Let's see some wheelies, Mr. Blockhead.
Oh, I don't wheelie, man. I ain't got there yet.
Oh.
If you want to do a wheelie tutorial.
No, man. You don't want to learn from me. That's not gonna be good things for anybody.
Yeah, I watched your progression.
That's the only thing motivating is like at least you can see.
Yeah.
I kind of got there, but I'm still doing it wrong. Like, somebody told me about it, like I'm supposed to be pressing the, or holding down the brake instead of it, so I do it kind of like, neutral bitch, I do it like I tap and I give it gas like an idiot, like a reaction, but you're supposed to drag it and give it, like, that's the only thing. You wouldn't have went down if you had those. You like your knobbies.
Oh, the knobbers?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I hit up Baker X Derek and I was like, yo, man, what kind of knobbies you got on yours? Yeah, you guys are all going in here. I need to be in there.
Bar armor? Is that a bar armor one?
No, man. It's custom.
I don't think that's bar armor.
Yeah, it's, no, I wrapped it myself. So I basically took the Pro Taper piece and put like flat black. But I contacted them.
He sent me like a bunch of like weird cut ones, but then they finally got one right. And then I zip tied a bag to it so you can't see it now.
Oh, yeah. Yours is bar armor, right?
Shout out bar armor. Thanks for the pad. Love you guys.
Yep. Yeah, I need to get a hold of them and get a legit one made.
Yeah.
We'll get there.
So you liking the Grom so far?
Oh, hell yes, dude.
So if you guys don't know, Mr. Blockhead here, he's a Harley guy. And then he got a Grom and he lost half the subscribers.
No. A lot of people were upset about it.
Yeah.
But, nah, man, the channel is about that two-wheel life.
Yeah, that's good, man. You know Shay Tree, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we talk. We need to, we're actually planning to meet up. You met him?
Yeah, we go to his bar.
Nice.
Oh, shit. Come on a second.
The Shame.
The Dirty Shame.
Ooh, I got a little one. I got a baby one. So the trick is what? Foot over the rear brake, right?
Yeah, they say cover your rear brake, but if you haven't experienced balance point yet, you're just gonna...
I need to be sitting on the sidelines here with the rest of these guys.
Oh shit, I said false neutral.
Hey, if you guys don't know, Photogromer, he's a Gromer guy. Oh yeah, so I was thinking about your name on the way here, and I was like, okay, so you're a photographer, you ride a Grom, so you say photographer, like photographer, right? So do you say Photogromer or Photogromer?
I don't know, man. I just looked at the word, I was like, photographer, Grom, Photogromer. It made sense, and it was not taken.
Yeah.
I think that's the key to making any YouTube name or social media name.
Yeah.
If all the shit's available, that's it.
Yeah, mine was just named after the nickname of the engine for my first Harley that I had.
If you X now, oh my god. Could you hear that, Mr. Blockhead?
Yep. Alright. I'm a spectator now.
Blockhead?
Yeah.
Okay, I figured from all the stickers and stuff, but
Yep.
it's the garage, so I just wanted to say what's up, man.
What's up, man? Good to meet you.
Man. I saw you, I was like, I don't know if he can do wheelies or not, but I knew some blockhead guy was supposed to come, and
I was trying. I can get him up a little bit, like that much.
Hey, everybody started somewhere.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, aren't you doing the race?
Tomorrow? Oh, yeah.
I'll be there too.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
I'll see you there.
Oh, that's going to be interesting, man, especially on knobbies.
I saw that. I think I have an easy competitor.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm going to be on the ground. I'm going to be the one laying down. Well, what's your channel? Just Z Garage?
Yeah.
Yeah, right on.
We used to ride Groms and stuff, but now we ride Z's.
Yeah, I need to learn to do that. One of these days. Damn, that Grom is crazy. I need gas though. Dude, your setup is crazy.
What do we got here? We got an angle to a front. Right in the chin. That actually looks a lot better than mine.
Yeah, so I mentioned a couple times in previous videos that Photogromer is the one that basically like helped me out with my audio setup, porting it out and being able to record people that are on the Senna. He was just on the Senna.
Goodbye.
Might as well turn mine off, but yeah, his died. I'm gonna hurt myself. I need to practice elsewhere. I got a little one there. See, that's more my jam, a field, since I got the knobbies on it. So freaking funny, man. Like, I seriously put the Grom in the back of my truck outside of my garage, right? Tied it down, and then basically drove non-stop straight to that parking lot, unloaded it because a bunch of other guys were, you know, riding theirs, and got on the Grom. So, oh man, it's so funny how you can just pick the Grom up and throw it in the back of a truck and go to Jacksonville or wherever. Anyway, so yeah, this is I think like my second time ever in Jacksonville. Definitely don't come here often. Get those 93 dead shell dinosaurs. Does this take card? Man, this pump looks old as hell. 93 dead dinosaurs. Too full. I mean, it looks like a trail, but is this a trail? I don't think so. I think we're just in the middle of a field now. That's where I need to go. I wonder if I can make it. Let's try. Shit. Dude. Things are getting mad thick. I hope there's not like a pond in between here and there. That would suck. There's something here. It's like a big ditch or something. Let's see. Damn it! Looks like there's a little bridge or something over there. Let's try to do that. Oh shit. Nice. There is a bridge. Can't believe I made that. Alright, now let's, wow, I had my blinker on the whole time. Good job. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah, definitely need to pull some stuff out of there. Oh, yeah. Gonna be, look at that. No, was it down the whole time? Damn it. Well, guess that's the angle you guys are seeing the field run video from.
A few moments later.
And we're back. Still day one. Been at this lot for hours. I went, checked into the hotel, got a quick snack. This is still going for like another couple hours, I believe. Man, these guys are wheelie machines. Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's Photogromer at? Oh shit, nice. That's right. Can't litter, man. It's bad for the earth. Where the hood at? It's pretty cool, man. This place, Autobahn Indoor Speedway. You guys be sure to check them out. They're, all right, thanks, man. Since I'm staying at a hotel, I don't want to keep the bike in the truck, so they let me keep it here because we're going to be here bright and early tomorrow morning. A few of us are going to be on the track. It's pretty crazy. Man, I gotta learn to wheelie. Yeah, this is gonna be us tomorrow. Me, Photogromer, Z Garage, Dank Wheelie.